Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through setting up your iRobot Roomba 205. If you're interested in the 205, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, we have the iRobot home app downloaded on our iOS or Android device. Sign in or create your account. Once you do, you'll be on your home screen, which will look different than mine if you don't have any devices already set up. But we have a home, a robots, and automation, a support, and a store section. We want to select that robots option. And we're going to go down to the bottom because we have quite a few iRobot Roombas connected to our account. And we want to add, with that plus button, add a new robot. And from here, it's going to search for nearby products. Our Roomba is already powered on. So if you have your Roomba 200 series, make sure it's powered on. You can have it on the charger. And it found it right here, Roomba 200 series. So needs setup. We're going to select that, add robot, connect your robot to Wi-Fi. So make sure it's connected to your 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Select yes, continue. Enter your network password here. Now, once you enter your password, it'll work on connecting to your robot. Press your robot's power button to connect to your phone. Boom. There we go. We got that chime connecting to Wi-Fi, verifying password, and establishing that cloud connection. Okay, we just got a chime there. That's great to see. It's verified the password. Now we continue waiting for that cloud connection. Robot's connected. Now we can name it. I'm going to name it the 205. Next, we can update the software. Let's go ahead. Let's do that now. Okay, it had trouble updating because it needs to be on the dock.
Charging.
We're going to go back into our Roomba 205 right here. Hit those three dots. Hit that about section. Check for an update. Let's start that update. It's going to start updating now. Working on downloading it. So we'll just wait for it to finish. All right, so good news is the download only took 1 minute here. And now it's currently installing. We'll see how long that takes. All right, it only took another minute for the vacuum itself to update. So we got that fun confetti screen that it's vacuuming up. We'll select continue. And there we go. It's been updated. Let's go into our Roomba 205 now. And we can take a look at the device settings. So main screen here showing the connecting status. It's 95% charged. We have resources down here, robot health, owner's guide, getting started, and you can contact iRobot. Now, since it connected, we have a create a map. That's going to be the first thing you do when you set this up. Top right-hand corner, those three dots. We can learn more about our Roomba. We can locate it, child and pet lock, robot language, audio volume, Wi-Fi settings, reconnect or change Wi-Fi, and reboot the Roomba. So very basic settings and controls right here. And if we go to the My Home section, we have our maps, and it lets us know the Roomba 205 is ready to create its first map. So that's what you would do next. But overall, setup, simple, straightforward. I'd say it took a minute to set up, a minute to download the update, and a minute to install the update. So under 5 minutes from start to finish is great to see with the Roomba 205. Now enjoy creating your map and cleaning.